Teeth whitening has become a popular trend in recent years, with many people seeking a brighter, whiter smile. Having a bright and radiant smile can do wonders for your confidence, so let's dive right into some natural and safe ways to whiten your teeth at home. Here are the top 9 methods for teeth whitening that you can try in the comfort of your own home. Method 1. Baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties that can help remove stains from your teeth. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, and then brush your teeth gently with it for a couple of minutes. Rinse thoroughly afterwards. Method 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid that acts as a natural bleach. However, it's important to use caution with this method. Mix a small amount of lemon juice with water, then use a cotton swab to apply it to your teeth. Leave it on for a minute or two, but be careful not to leave it on for too long, as it can erode your tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward. Method 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a commonly used ingredient in teeth whitening products. To use it at home, mix a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with water, and swish it around in your mouth for about a minute. Spit it out and rinse your mouth afterward. Remember not to swallow the mixture, as it can be harmful if ingested. Method 4. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient technique that can help improve oral health and whiten your teeth. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Spit it out into a trash can, as it can clog your sink. Make sure not to swallow the oil, as it may contain bacteria and toxins. Method 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties and can remove stains from your teeth. However, it's important to note that it's highly acidic, so it should be used sparingly. Dilute a small amount of apple cider vinegar with water and swish it around in your mouth for a few seconds. Rinse your mouth afterward and be cautious not to use it too frequently, as it may damage your tooth enamel. Method 6. Strawberries. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can help remove surface stains from your teeth. Mash up a ripe strawberry and apply it to your teeth using a toothbrush or your finger. Leave it on for a minute or two and then rinse thoroughly. Be sure to brush your teeth afterward to remove any residual sugar. Method 7. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is known for its absorbing properties, making it a popular choice for teeth whitening. Dip a wet toothbrush into activated charcoal powder and gently brush your teeth for a couple of minutes. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward, as the black residue can be messy. Method 8. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can help naturally remove surface stains from your teeth. These foods act as natural toothbrushes and stimulate saliva production, which helps in keeping your teeth clean and white. Method 9. Brushing and flossing. Maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for a healthy smile. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this information useful.